Supratau, bet kaip paspaust?
9.
Gal...
Kaip ten? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8.
Sinkė. Skambinamės į Caesar Palace, Las Vegase. Čia buvo nufilmuotas Hangoveris 2009 metais.
Hangoveris.
Sorry, I didn't understand your response. If you
Didn't understand your response. Please try again to push the button.
Push the button.
This is absolutely
Mes turim kitą
amazing.
numerį, kur antrą Hangoverį filmavo. Čia jau bus...
I didn't understand your response. For further assistance, please say one of the following. If you are calling to change an existing reservation, please say...
Hello, Tower Club. Hello, Warren speaking. How much issue?สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello.
Good evening, sir. How may I help you? Good evening, sir. How may I help you?
Oh, hello everybody, how are you?
Pardon, sir.
Hello, did I call it to Bangkok?
Could you spell the guest last name for me, please?
Yes, who is your last name? My last name is Skanadashris.
Pardon, sir. Could you repeat?
I can spell it. Yes, sir. It's easy, very easy. Skanadashris. Yes, it's Skaniadasris.
Pardon, sir. Could you spell it one more time?
Of course, no problem. Look it.
S-E-D.
Yes, look it. What until what you got already?
S for Singapore. E for
S
England.
S for Superman. K
Yes, sir.
for Katy Perry.
K
A
for King.
K for King. Yes. Folk King.
A for
Everybody call me Folk King. A for absolutely. N
A for Apple.
apple.
F N.
N for nobody.
Yes, sir.
I for I love you.
Yes, sir.
A for apple.
Yes, sir.
D for the dragon.
B for
No, D. D for the dragon. Dragon.
D for Denmark.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, Denmark. Very nice country. I have been there twice. A for everybody.
E for everybody.
No. A for everybody.
A for anyone.
No. A for everybody. Yes, A.
E, right?
Afghanistan.
Everybody.
Afghanistan, yes. A. Apple.
Pardon, sir.
Apple.
I already tried to find this guest name, sir, but we didn't find anyone.
Yeah, but I want to make a reservation.
Yes, sir. Just one moment, please, sir.
Yeah, it's easy. You can make it me happy just making a reservation.
You would like to make a reservation for a room or for the restaurant, sir?
No, I want a room. I come a lot of times and I want to go to Bangkok.
Just one moment, please, sir. May I connect you to the front desk, sir?
Ka-ching!
One moment, please.
Was I'm waiting for the one moment, please. Bandome dabar pasijungti prie viešbučio, ne?
Čia Tower Club.
Man kartais prašė manęs patikruoti savo pavardę, manęs nerado mano
For the speaking house issue.
Oh, hello, it's the man speaking now already. It's good, I like it.
Sorry.
Did I call it to the Caesar Palace? Is it Tower Club?
Excuse me, sir. You call from the...
I'm calling from Lithuania.
Yes, sir. If you want to make reservation, you can make it in the website. It's better. The rate is cheaper.
But I like to make a call. I don't have an internet.
Yes, please. But now I cannot make a reservation now because the reservation department is closed already, sir.
But why?
We need for the passport.
Oh.
Everything and detail everything of your.
Yeah, okay. So I can tell you it right now. Can you write it down?
I cannot make reservation now, sir.
Yes, you have to make a reservation right now. I'm the customer. and you can make a reservation because I want to stay in your hotel. I love it. I was here last year. I'm your premium,
Sir,
but I'm a premier customer.
when you check in, sir.
I was checking in last May. It's my birthday.
Excuse me, sir. When you check in, sir.
I check in. It's you check in.
No, I mean when you make a reservation.
I was making a reservation last year for my birthday party at May 24.
Yes, sir. And also you need to make reservation. And when you check in and check out, how many nights, sir?
Why do you call me shaking? You are shaking. I'm gonna shanking you out, everybody. You know who I'm talking about? You know who I am? Do you know who are you talking to?
Excuse me, sir. I would.
Don't excuse me, sir. You know who you are talking to?
Excuse me, sir. Would you like to make reservation?
Yes, I want to make a reservation right now.
Yes, sir. And may I have a detail about of you and
Of course you can make. It's no problem. My last surname, you will find it in a platinum reservation. My surname is Skanadashris. Skanadashris. Can you repeat it?
can you repeat again?
Of
please?
course I can repeat it for you. Skanadashris. It's easy. I can spell it for you if you want.
Yes, please. Can you spell for me, please?
It's alright. S for Superman. K for close your eyes. A for everybody dance. N for nobody dance. I for I love me. A for apple. D for dance.
Yes.
A for apple.
Yes, sir.
S for Superman.
Yes, sir.
R for right now. I for I. And S for Superman.
Okay. Okay.
Can you repeat it, please? If you don't know, I'm a Hollywood actor.
Yes, sir. S for Superman
Yes.
and C for cat, right?
Yes.
A for America.
Yes.
N for Norway.
Yes.
I for item.
Yes, sir.
A for America.
Yes.
D for Denmark.
D for Denmark. Yes.
And A for America. S for Singapore,
We. C.
right?
Yes.
Yes,
R.
sir. And R I M S.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Can you say it?
Yes, please. When you make a reservation, please.
I want to make a reservation for my birthday like last year. I did a big party with many guests. So I would like, if you want my platinum card number, I can tell it to you right now. And you can make a reservation for me and my friends. We're going to make a huge gay party. Everybody will remember it for the universe times. You know what I mean?
Yes, we know. I will check for you. One moment. Hold the line 1 second, please.
Thank you. Galim ryžti, nes čia viens pas kitą jie mane čia siunčia.
Žinai, gali, tipo, kaip nežinot, kas esu į tą hangoveris, kur filmausi ten tas...
Ne, į tą viešbutį mes skaminom, Giovanni.
Į tą.
Mes paskaminom į šitą vat viešbutį.
Čia,
Ai, čia antra dalis buvo?
Taip, antra dalis čia filmuota. Čia gerai tas būt kinietis, tai žinai, kur...
I was the Chinaman from this movie! You motherfucker! I kill you!
Oi.
You know who you talking to? Man, tokia vis pasikeitė. Mes negalim padaryti rezervacijos. Bam! Ir viskas, rezervacija pašlo. Blemba. Kaip tas kinietis iš to filmo toj?
Kažkoks čia, ne.
Čianas Čiakas iš tam filmo buvo.
Dabar čekina, ar tu toks esi?
Jo.
Damu, kokią sąskaitą ateisi.
Va! Ken Jeong. You stupid!
Bijo kelt jau.
Gal į head office kokį nors, žinai?
Nebedirba, ne? į Bangkok. Įdomu, kiek valandų ten jau darbas baigtas, ne?
Padėjo ragelį, ne?
Jo, baigėsi.
Suprato,
Bet
kad
smagiai buvo labai.